Adjusting hero styles is very easy in the BoostFloral editor. Simply go to the site pages, select the hero that you'd like to change, and then choose the different style. Now let's say I want to make this style, this hero banner, not as tall. I can choose style 6 here, which is a shorter banner. So I've selected that, and I will choose to update that, and we can immediately see the changes reflected right here on our website. Now let's say if there was an issue with the sizing of the images on that new banner. One of the great things about this editor is the ability to move and adjust images around. So the image doesn't have to be the exact right size for the hero that's chosen. You have the ability to zoom in and zoom out and use one image in different ways for different styles. So this gives us the ability to really customize how we want our website to look with images and gives us more flexibility with the images that we use.